In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove bank account from M1 Finance. It is very easy and quick process, so make sure to watch this video till the end. That will remove a bank account from M1 Finance. What you need to do is open up your M1 Finance app and then click on this transfer option from the board of your screen. This is usually located at the middle of the screen. So just click on this transfer option. Then this will take you to the similar screen where you can see the amount. The total amount of your M1 Finance account and all of the transaction that you have made. Now all you need to do is click on this bank account that is labeled under the link bank option. Just click on the bank right here and then this will show the multiple banks that have been linked in your M1 Finance. So just select the account that you want to remove and then you will see your option of remove. Just click on it and then this will ask you to confirm it. Just click on remove button again and your bank account will be removed. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.